A buff bear come from? You're fat, you know. Old dog like me. We have a gal in a twos and three. Eh, 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 eh. Old dog like we. We have a gal in a twos and three. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Nayoka. If you're new, please remember to smash that subscription button and turn on your post notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post videos like these. Yeah. If you're my existing subscriber, you don't know. Big up yourself. I love you. You're large. Yeah. But now waste no time. I'm gonna jump right into the video. So this is part 2 of Jamaican pickup lines. Every Jamaican man a gallis. Whether you want to believe it or not, all of them are gallis. Alright? So if you really want to get the Jamaican girls, you have to make sure that you come with confidence. Even if you feel like you're ugly and you're not that attractive, once you step out smelling good, looking good, and you're full of confidence, I guarantee you will get a girl. You see me? Old dog like we have girl in a twos and threes. But you know, once you find a nice little girl and you settle down, you know, you're finished with that old dog life. You see me? Alright. So the first slang on my list is, baby, you're the pepper in my jerk chicken. I can't do without you. What that simply means is, you are the pepper in my jerk chicken, so I cannot do without you. Just a little backstory. In Jamaica, we have this popular meal called jerk chicken. It's like roasted chicken. So the flavor really comes from the Scotch bonnet pepper that we use. So when you're saying to the girl that she is the pepper in your jerk chicken, it means like the spicing, the Scotch bonnet pepper is needed. So you need her in your life like how a Scotch bonnet pepper would be needed to make jerk chicken. That's basically it. Baby, you're hotter than 10 Fireside. So baby, you are hotter than 10 Fireside. So a fireside would be, you know, if you have a bonfire, you make a big fire. So imagine that one fire multiplied 10 times. So imagine how hot that bonfire would be if you have 10 bonfires in one place. So you're basically saying to the girl that she's hotter than 10 bonfires all put together. She's so hot, she look good, she looks sexy, she dressed good, she smells good and everything like that. So you're just giving her a good compliment that, hey baby, you're so hot, you're hotter than 10 bonfire. Yeah. When you're trying to get a girl's attention, there's a lot of words that you can use when you're trying to get her attention. So Jamaican men, they usually say stuff like my size. My size mean the girl is your size. The girl is your type of girl. So if she's a skinny girl, it's your size. If you are attracted to thicker girls, that's your size. If you're attracted to medium size, that's your size. So basically, when you see a girl that's your shape and figure and everything that you're looking for, you're gonna be like, my size. Yeah, that's how it is. Then you have other ones like mama. A lot of girls don't like mama. Me personally, I don't like mama, but the guys still say it, so I have to still give it to you. But I don't like mama because I feel like it's disrespectful. Mama just mean like mommy or baby girl or something like that. That's what it means. Another one is my girl. I don't like my girl. I personally don't like it. A lot of females don't like it. Some other females is okay with it, but my girl just basically means my girl. You're my girl, but you're not really his girl. She's not really your girl, but you're still saying my girl. You know what I mean? Yeah. Next one is slimmers. Slimmers would be a skinny girl. So you would say, instead of saying skinny girl, you know, you just sound too, you're gonna be saying slimmers, because Jamaican men like to make it sound nice. If you are skinny, they're not gonna say skinny girl because that sounds kind of disrespectful, right? So they're just putting some flavor and some flair into it and they say slimmers. Slimmers is a skinny girl. Then you have another one, fluffy. When a guy say fluffy, it means that the person is fat. But as I said, Jamaican men are not gonna just say, oh, fat girl or fat mama or whatever. They're gonna say fluffy. Fluffy is a more calm tones. Fluffy is sound more appropriate, so they say fluffy. And they also say thickers. When they say, when you would call a girl thickers, it would mean like the girl is not fat and she's not skinny, she's just in between. So you say thicker, she's thick, she has a big ass, nice titty, flat belly, she's thick. So you're gonna say thickers. You see me? Not thickers. Take out the H out, I say thickers. You see me? Repeat after me. Thickers. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Next one, you can say browning. When you would say browning would be a girl of my complexion. I know if you're a white guy or if you're from a different race and you're not black, you would feel like I'm just black. But in Jamaica, black people have different shades. So the person with the same color as a black person with the same color as me or higher or more brown than me, they would say browning, right? Yeah, so I would be a browning. So a man would see me from all the way across the street and be like, browning. And I'm looking like, it's true. Some girls are very disrespectful. So you have to, that's why I always say like, you have to come with that confidence, because if you call to a girl and then she kiss her teeth, like, what you're gonna do? Give up? You can't give up. You have to just brush that off and on to the next. You have to come with the confidence. Like Jamaican guys, they just always come with some confidence. I don't know where they get this confidence from, but they are very, very confident. Back in Jamaica, even the madman and the homeless people on the street, they're looking at me, calling me browning and trying to lyrics me. And I'm looking at myself like, that's how I look for a madman to be calling to me, talking about give me a number, like him a phone. Where does a madman on the street get phone from? But in my lyrics me do, you know? So you have to come with the confidence no matter how you look, you know? But still, you still have to dress up nice, you know, to actually get the girl. Because you don't really need to dress up to call to a person, but you need to dress up to actually get a phone number or actually find a girl. See me? Another one could be chromas. Another one could be good body. Another one is hotters. Hotters would be like a hot girl. Good body would be like your body look good. So they're like good body. Next one, chromas. Chromas would be a girl with light skin, like me or lighter than me, and her skin is flawless. No pimples, no nothing, you know, her skin is just flawless. They say she's chromas, so she look good. Me lost my number. Me can get yours? No one has ever personally said this one to me, but this one is a good one. This one would get somebody to laugh, you know. Even if you don't get the number, they will still just laugh. And sometimes it's just nice, you know, you meet some stranger on the road and you just put a smile on somebody's face. Me lost my number, me can get yours. Me lost my number, me can get yours basically mean I lost my number, can you give me yours? Wink, wink. I lost my number, can you give me yours? If you try to put it in English or understand it from an English standpoint, it doesn't really make sense. But in Jamaica, it does make sense. You know what I mean? You're working at Pings because you look like 2 yard of wife material. So Pings would be a fabric store that sells fabric in Jamaica. So, you know, 2 yards of material. So when you're a wife material, they say you're a wife material. So they're saying that if you work in Pings, it's like, because you work in, like, they just like to make things rhyme, and they like to make things lyrical. Like they try to be articulative and be, what would I say now? Creative with stuff. So that's why they would say like, you work in Pings because you look like 2 yard of wife material. That's a compliment. So you look like a person that would be a good wife and somebody that they would like to get to know better to wife you up. Yeah, that's what you're saying to the girl. Next one is your man lucky, you know, but if him slip, must slide right in your life. So it basically, when you say that to her, you're telling her that her man is lucky, but if you make a mistake, you're not gonna hesitate but slide right into her life. Try to get her as soon as the man make a mistake, you're right there just to scoop her up, you know, before he can even come to apologize. Yeah. Baby, heaven depend holiday, because me I wonder where angel do on earth. So you're basically asking her, is heaven on holiday? Because you're wondering why is there an angel on earth, because you're saying that angels are supposed to be in heaven. So heaven must be on holiday if there's an angel on earth. Yeah. You get it? All right. You smile sweet, you know, baby, but I bet your lip them sweeter. Mwah. So that one, you're telling her that she has a very nice smile, and you bet that she has a even sweeter lips. Yeah, this one you wouldn't just tell a random stranger on the street. This one you have to tell to somebody who you already maybe have her number already, and maybe you haven't gotten the first kiss yet. Because even when you get her number, you know, you still have to lyrics her, because you might never know which other guy is trying to lyrics her or other guys in her ear. So you want to make sure that you're the successful one. So even after you get her number and talking to her for a few days or a few weeks, you still have to lyrics her. So this one would be a nice one to tell her. I bet your lips are sweeter. And then when you tell that to her, she feels like, yeah, it's time for me to give him his first kiss now. And then boom, you hit the jackpot. Yeah, thank me later. No matter how you hard forget, I go pressure you like oxtail. Yeah, that one is good, because some girls pretend like they play hard to get. They like you, you know, but they act like they don't like you because they want you to put some more pressure. They want you to show more interest. They want you to be, you know, show more interest. No, you like me? Come on, I need some more stuff from you. I need you to show me that it's worth your while. So, you know, you have to tell her, say, you know what, you're hard to forget, but I'm still gonna pressure you. So oxtail is a meat that's very hard. It has a big bone in the middle, so it's very hard to cook. So when you say you're gonna pressure her like oxtail, it means you're gonna apply some more pressure. You're gonna put some more interest into trying to get her. So you're letting her know that, hey, I'm gonna pressure you like oxtail, you know, until I get you. You get it? Yeah. This last one is gonna be a homework. I want to see you guys commenting in the comment section what you think this one means. You can go ask your Jamaican friends and they can maybe explain this one for you. But when you get the information, come back to the comment section and leave a comment so I know what this one means. Above where you come from, you're fat, you know. That's your homework, and it done right this. So I hope you learned something today, because that's the purpose of this video, to teach you guys some patois. All right, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Big up yourself. Bye for now.